we're back. I'm Shruti. You can call me Shruts. This is Joe, Urf Jyoti. Hello, Jyoti. How are
Urf.
you?
This
Urf,
Urf,
Urf.
Urf is very funny.
Urf.
Yes. I'm good. How are you?
Very good. So now,
All
tell to
set.
me,
Hmm.
all sets. Tell to me, what is there in the kitty today? What are we going to
Uh,
listen to?
so there's something that is just, it's like, that one thing people keep hounding you for. This is that, basically.
Oh, मतलब कि
Um,
you mean to say बहुत सारी requests आएंगे इसके लिए, is it?
yeah. So, the day that you made your debut on the channel, it was 10th
हाँ,
of
हाँ.
November. और उसी
Yes.
दिन ये गाना रिलीज हुआ सुबह सुबह आई थिंक एंड तब
Uh,
से द कमेंट सेक्शन इज with this.
so I think
So
that I know which one this
yeah, I
is.
think you
Wow.
know.
Dun, dun, dun. Tell us, Joe, which one is it?
It's called Baap Se, and it's 47 and Krishna, so it's full Gurgaon boys.
Yes, it's gonna
So
have a good feels.
they're both from Gurgaon.
Yeah.
I've never heard 47 before, so this will be my intro. I think you haven't either, right? So
No, I haven't.
unfortunately, we haven't covered him on the channel yet, but now from the comments and from what I'm hearing, this song is a good intro to him because
Oh, very nice.
apparently, yeah, it's a good track. But let's see how we feel about it.
Yes. So,
Ready?
chalo, let's hit it. Ready?
Cool. Okay. 1, 2, 3, play. Oh, I know the sample.
जितनी मर्जी गाली दे कभी बड़ा नहीं हो निकल गया मेरे हाथ
Why is it over? That was too short. It's just getting into it.
है ना?
Yeah, I think they just had one verse each, no? Or was
Yeah,
it
like
two and one
barely. Maybe, yeah, like hardly. I was
first?
just getting
Like,
into the groove. I wanted to be like, beta, oh God,
this
I
is
want
funny.
more.
This is
What
the
is this?
funniest song I've heard in a while. It's hilarious. How were they not laughing while shooting this?
This
It's
was so
just,
funny, right? Like every two lines, there was like, kya? Kya? Huh?
yeah.
अरे उसने ये बोला. Oh, what? No, but first, let's talk about the video. Yeah, like visually, क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ? What were your thoughts on it? क्या लगा?
So I mean, they are bringing the aggression in the video, both of them, and I feel like the both of them are complementing each other so well. And I don't think, like, I've seen aggression before on Krishna's face when he's spitting his verses in his videos, but this time, like, I felt like full body language was like, like much, yeah. Like there was one line where he went. क्या बोलना चाहता है something he's asking, right? Full chord mein he's standing, so I was just like, okay. So and this is the first time I'm seeing 47. He's got so much screen presence, like you
I
can't
agree.
ignore him when he's on screen. I mean,
I
he's
agree.
he's nice to look at also, but he's just got this, like, he's got like good both of
Good
them basically
attitude,
good,
feels,
yeah, good
yeah,
attitude, good body language, all that
yeah.
worked. I really like the what do you say, the light scheme in the video,
Yeah.
the more darker sets and the neons and all of that, like
Correct,
it
correct.
set the tone for an
Yeah,
aggressive track. And
absolutely.
I mean, they had a dog, yeah.
I was just
They
about to
had
say,
a
I love
dog.
a dog.
I'm like, you put a dog in a video,
Cute.
I will love it. And
So
the thing is,
yeah.
the dog was trying very hard to look aggressive, but he was just
It was like one wagging a little tail and going, hello, I'm
little
here.
cute, furry little thing. They should have got a pit bull or a, I don't know,
Hmm.
German Shepherd or something. But cuteness, I liked it. I liked it. What are your
I
thoughts?
also,
You say.
I loved how they didn't waste any time. You know, they
Uh,
got into it from the word go
yes.
immediately. ऐसा नहीं
Yes.
था कि कुछ धीरे धीरे ऊपर चढ़ नहीं, they were like right there, you know. And the beat is so catchy, like it's
Yeah.
lovely. It's very like you want to hear it again and again. And
It's
you
frisk.
know, very. So the more you're listening to it, and the more you want to sing along. And it's not like, अरे पहले गाना सुना नहीं है, तो you know you need to hear it 2-3 times. No, immediately you hear it once and you want to sing it the next moment with them. You know, it literally happened also. So yeah, but overall video, nice, very nice. Like I like the video. I totally agree with you about the chemistry and everything. Really nice. But
Yeah.
I think the highlight of the video is the lyrics, the lyrical part.
Oh
So
my
we have
God.
to
We
discuss the
have to.
lyrics
We have
properly.
to actually. Let's pull it up. And since you
Yes.
mentioned the beat, full props to Frisk. I mean, when it started, I was like, this is a sample I'm familiar with, but I think it's
Yeah,
used in
you
a
said
lot of,
that.
yeah. So it could be a hit song that is coming to my mind, but I can't put my finger on it. But I know that
Right.
it's a commonly used sample. I think a lot of
It's
UK
very,
Bhangra tracks start with that kind of. It had a
yeah,
very
because,
UK Bhangra sound, and
yeah,
I
because
know that's a song.
they
Yeah.
use
So
a lot of folk music, right? And all folk music has this, like, this music, this instrument is used in a lot of folk music.
yeah,
So I guess maybe that's why you're finding it so familiar and like trying to grasp
yeah,
on it. Ki
yeah,
kya tha.
could be. But
Huh.
lyrics now. So I'm just scrolling
Thoughts.
through and I'm
Huh.
like, it's hilarious. This song is just so funny.
It is
But
just so funny, right?
I
Huh.
have to say, like, one thing I have a little, like, don't go on, like, the girlfriend pe mat jao. Like, don't drag the girlfriends in. That's my only thing. Like, उसने कुछ नहीं किया
No,
है.
I totally agree with you. And then there are moments when they speak also such stuff now that it suddenly makes you go like,
Oh,
little cringy happens. But
yeah.
then I guess it's not like a rah chalta person who's suddenly saying something about the girlfriend. I think it's more about that
It's just to
uh,
poke where it
creative license.
hurts.
Yeah, and creative license utna matlab I guess we have to just let it be and not look at it from the perspective of कि क्या गलत बोल रहे हैं, and more that why is it being said, so like to poke each other and to just get them to react. I think we just have to
To
look
hit
at it
where
that
it
way.
hurts most, that kind
Yeah,
of thing,
yeah,
huh?
yeah,
Yeah,
exactly,
I guess.
exactly.
Okay.
Huh.
So Gafar Market
Oh
was
man, तुझसे better तो वो मोबाइल गफार
Gafar
मार्केट
में
बेच रहा है
phone
वो.
बेच रहा है.
Oh my
So
god,
funny.
that was so funny. That was so funny.
You can
लेकिन
tell they're from Delhi and Gurgaon.
every time you hear this song, it's like more and more it comes. अरे इस बार तो ये भी बोला, वो भी बोला, and वो बोला उन्होंने हमेशा है. But I guess the more you listen and the more it kind of keeps, like how did you hear that Costco की balls वाला line?
Yeah, I was gonna ask you. I didn't get that reference. What is Costco? Costco.
Costco is a football company का name. But यहाँ
Okay.
पे clearly Costco's just been put so that it doesn't sound too.
Oh.
So it just sounds क्योंकि Costco की ball है अपनी बहुत भारी है, and like so
Oh.
अपना खौफ जारी है उसके पहले वाली line थी. So like you get the point,
Okay.
right?
So this is
Yeah.
clearly this is clear from my insider has also told me this. It is not an all out and out diss. It's a subliminal diss. Subliminal.
हाँ.
So
मतलब कि
they're each hitting out at someone that they hitting out at someone in particular. You and I don't know really who.
हाँ. तो सीधा गाली नहीं दे रहे हैं,
We
ऐसे
can
घुमा
guess.
के.
We can try to guess. I honestly don't know 47's like history or beef history, so I don't know who
Right.
he's hitting out, but the chorus is hilarious. Yeah.
But you know how they're talking about कि तू famous होना चाहता था, and like you kind of there's a whole vibe of that you came you used me to get famous, and you were under, like, you were kind of my friend, or you were under my chhatra chhaya, and now you suddenly, so is there maybe there's that
Maybe it's friends turn foes, but this line na
totally could be.
साला famous होना चाहता है तो गाली दे रहा है
हाँ
मुझे.
हाँ
I feel I could be wrong, but I feel it kind of refers to people giving each other galis and like subliminally dissing each other on these
correct.
in their interviews and Instagram lives, which I've heard is a very common thing that's happening. And I just want to say here that that's not cool. Like
It's a
this
cheap
whole
shot. Like why?
it's no, it's also very childish because like agar
Yeah,
aapko it's kind of damaging the culture of hip hop itself, because battling and
correct,
sparring and dissing and all that is part of, like, I would say, the DNA of the genre. But
correct.
do it through your music and through your songs. Don't just use just because आपके phone पे live button है आप use करोगे to just and first of all I hate Instagram lives. Like
पहले 5 मिनट तो बाल ही ठीक हो रहे होते
I
हैं,
feel there
then you
should be a
wonder कि
minimum
कुछ शुरू करो.
qualification for that live button to appear on people's phones. Like you have
Oh
to
my
be
god.
responsible with Instagram lives also. कुछ भी नहीं है ऐसे ही live जा रहे हैं. Like unless there's something amazing you want to discuss and share with the world, and a very relevant value add conversation you want to have, or an
Not
interview you
like
want to do, but
आज
ऐसे
मैंने
ऐसे
5 लीटर दूध पिया. What? Like, what are you talking about, man? Like, just get a life. Get a life. But can we just
so
talk about the
anyway.
Bal comment? Like दूर से देखा तो like you know टोटा लग रही थी लड़की, पास गया तो like रैपर बाल खोल रहा था. What?
I think Krishna just hates long hair on men, and
Ah,
he's used that in his all his diss tracks. Even the MMA
रंगीन
one
बाल.
we heard,
Yeah.
that was for Mufar, yeah, and
हाँ,
even for
correct.
MMA and Seedha Makeover, I think he used the same thing, and yeah, so just keep. I mean, I think even Krishna will not be able to grow his hair ever, like if he ever wants to.
Because if he does, I think you just take all his songs only, just create like snippets ka pura one video, and you can just like it'll be like a self diss if there's ever such a thing. Like, what are you doing?
Yeah, I don't think it's ever gonna happen, but that was hilarious.
Like, I'm still reading the lyrics and just wondering कि और क्या मतलब कितना कुछ लिखा है यहाँ पे
So
इन्होंने.
there was one 47 line, which I think it was a reference to AK-47. It was a brilliant
Yeah.
line. 47 mere saath to something mera aim. Where is I'm trying to
Like
find it.
to the effect of कि निशाना छूट नहीं सकता then, like you know, I got you.
Yeah.
हाँ,
अभी
कहाँ पे?
तक 47
And I was
साथ
just
कमी नहीं मेरे एम में. एंड अचानक सबको चाहिए मेरा वर्स सारे गेम में, पर डॉलर साइन मिलेगा सिर्फ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज में. ओह माय गॉड.
yes, dude, very nice. मतलब ऐसे जब अच्छे, you know, it's like it's lyrical and yet it is like it's got so much energy and in the right way. तो मजा आता देख के. Like it fills you with energy rather than you know you feeling exhausted after it. You were like, so yeah, very nice.
The last line also, sorry, I have to. जब कलम चलने लगे तो होने लगते हैं हादसे. When I heard it, I thought
Strong
it
finish.
sounded like to hone lagte hain heart fail. That's what I thought, and I was like, ooh, nice, but it's haadse.
Haadse
So
is even better.
yeah.
Very strong finish. Very nice.
This track is like, I won't be surprised if it's trending on YouTube right now.
I'm
It's
sure it is.
it must be,
Matlab,
right?
yeah.
Like it's so
you said,
catchy.
abhi
It's
recently aaya
so the hook
hai.
is It's just
I was already with
hilarious.
it while it was going on. So
Yeah.
like, yeah.
And it's gonna keep looping in my head, I feel, the rest of the day today.
Right. Then you'll have more loopy hair.
वो 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 कहावत है, मेरा बेटा निकल गया मेरे हाथ से. They've used it so
हाँ.
beautifully in this. I love it.
So that made me think कि maybe कि you know कि जैसे आप बेटे की तरह, you know, someone who's junior to you and you kind of
Could
keep
be.
them, but you also right, it could be a kahavat also. It can go either way.
It could
So
be
yeah,
anything. Yeah, we don't know. But
I think we can go on. हम ये
yeah, we
ऐसे
can.
in the हो सकता है, we can just like go on.
I still want to know how they didn't laugh while shooting this song. They're looking so. I mean, they
were too busy, like.
bringing out the guns from G-Town, you know.
Yes.
They
I'm the
definitely
Costco
brought
girl.
it, and yeah, I love it. We love it.
Yes. So chalo, it's time for us to say bye-bye, like and subscribe, and I will take my melodramatic self out of the screen now. Bye, Joe.
Bye.